Today I've got my hands on another Android TV box running the Google Android TV OS. So this is the brand new ABOX A4. So we have the S905W Quad-core CPU running at 1.5 GHz. You've got the Mali 450 with 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, single band Wi-Fi BGN, Bluetooth version 4. This is running the Android TV OS version 7.1.2. You've got voice remote control included. This supports 5.1 surround sound, supports 4K at 30 frames per second, and supports HDMI version 2.0. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with a user manual, a cleaning cloth, a UK power adapter, an HDMI cable, remote control, and this remote control does have a built-in microphone and supports voice commands. And last but not least, the brand new ABOX A4. So here it is, people, shiny black reflective finish on the top. Now on the front we're going to have an LED display exactly how you see on the box, and the ABOX logo will also light up. On the side there is nothing. So on the back we have an SPDIF port, Ethernet, AV port, HDMI out, and your power socket. On the side we've got 2 standard USB 2 ports and a micro SD card slot, and that will bring us back to the front of the unit. This is what it looks like underneath, and to give you guys a quick comparison of the size, here is my daily driver Tanix TX92, and that is how they compare. So more or less exactly the same size, and in thickness the Tanix TX92 is slightly thicker. So now I'm going to get this hooked up to my TV and capture card, and we're going to find out how good this TV box really is. I'll be right back. So first of all I ran a boot up speed test, and this TV box took 33 seconds to fully load the home screen from a cold start. So here is the Android TV OS. At the top you have search options. You then have a row of recommendations on what to watch next, which is automatically updated based on your viewing history. You then have a row of icons showing you your apps, followed by 3 icons at the bottom, settings, Wi-Fi status, and a full app drawer. Now let's have a quick look at system settings. This box has 16 gigs of internal storage, from which there are 11 gigs free to use. And if we have a quick look at about, you will see that this is running Android version 7.1.2. So we also have Google Chromecast built in, but after numerous attempts this feature just would not work. So now let's check out the app drawer. These are all the apps available on the system as standard. You have quite a few apps to get you started, along with the Google Play Store. Now this is not the full Play Store experience. Being Android TV OS, the Play Store will only have Android TV compatible apps. You can however sideload and install any APK you like. So I tested out Miracast with my Samsung Galaxy S8, and unfortunately I could not connect after numerous tries. So Miracast and Chromecast are both not working on this box. So now I'm going to test out some voice commands. What is the weather like tomorrow in London?
Tomorrow in London there will be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 79 and a low of 57.
Open Kodi media player. So now we're going to play some 4K video samples from a USB drive, and this box supports a maximum of 4K at 30 frames per second. So let's go ahead and play the first video. So now we're going to try out a 4K at 60 frames per second video just to see how it handles. So that was 4K videos from a USB drive. Now let's move on to the 4K YouTube test.
Got something for you.
It's beautiful.
Love that picture.
Thanks, Steph. Where did you get that?
Got it.
Let me introduce you to your dreams. The Little Mermaid of the Mississippi!
Wait, Benji. Okay, go straight. Straight. Now, turn right. Now? Yes, go right. Are you sure? Yes, No, it's left. Turn left. Sorry, I had the screen lock on.
On your marks, get set, ready, go. Welcome back to the race.
You know, the most important thing in this job is knowing you can trust the guy next to you. No one does it alone.
So now let's have a quick look at Netflix. This box does support Netflix HD at a maximum resolution of 1080p.
This is a lion. 200 kilos of muscle, teeth, and claw.
So for you advanced users, DRM shows Widevine level 1 and CPU-Z shows it's not rooted from standard. Furthermore, in the Wi-Fi speed tests we achieved only 8 megabits per second download and 9 megabits per second upload, and the top speeds we currently get is 30 megabits per second. And in the Antutu benchmark test we achieved a total score of 26,083. So let's see how that compares with the others. So here is my top performing Android TV box chart for 2018, showing you all the latest TV boxes and seeing how they compare with each other. So the ABOX A4 has achieved position 60 on this chart. Now if we compare this box to its own price bracket, then here are the top performing TV boxes for under $70, and on this chart the ABOX A4 has achieved position 38. Meanwhile, you can view all my latest charts online at chicstech.com and read them at your leisure. I have updated the chart to make them more easier to read. Links will also be in the description box below. But there you have it guys, that was the new ABOX A4. So here we have another TV box running the Google's Android TV OS. Now Google Chromecast and Miracast did not work and the Wi-Fi speeds were not great. Bottom line, this box is basically the same as the A95X Pro and the Micool M8SW. However, the ABOX A4 comes with Bluetooth and a Bluetooth remote control. Now based on the cons and the price of this unit, the A95X Pro and Micool M8SW becomes the better value products. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. There's lots more to come your way, so stay tuned and have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.